guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs, hauls, meal preps, reviews, all the things keto. Basically today I am reviewing the Flex Pro keto meal delivery service. So Flex Pro claims to have fresh, convenient meals that you can order online, delivered to your door. They are flash frozen. They are ready to eat. Basically, you are supposed to be able to just throw them in the microwave, cook them, and enjoy. So I was sent 5 of the keto chicken parmesan, 5 of the keto meatballs, 5 of the keto breakfast burgers, and then 1 mystery snack box. When I opened my box, this, like the meatballs were out of this, and this was in a cup. There was like a 2 like this. This was out, like nothing. These had all come apart, which is fine, whatever. Shipping is shipping. But this, what you see here, is all that was in the box. Minus, I think I have a Parmesan over here. Yeah. So what you see here was what came in the box, laid out much nicer. I am missing 1 of the keto breakfast burgers because I did try one of those, and I will insert a clip of me trying that. All right, so I had to microwave this about 3 times at 2 minutes each, and I don't know. So obviously I should have flipped it over because the cheese has melted to container. Guess we'll have to take a bite here and try it. I mean, it has flavor. It doesn't taste bad. I'm just curious as why I can't even find any instructions on the website. Apparently you have to let them sit out for 24 hours before you can, and also, so mine has not sat out for 24 hours, but it hasn't been frozen either. It was flash frozen with dry ice. It is good though, I will say that. It is nice, it does taste better than on average little frozen meal. This is it. There was no paper, there was no instructions, there was no hi, how are yas, there was nothing. So it says 2 keto mama, 15 small keto plus snack. And they are definitely all frozen. So I'm confused because it's actually like things are falling apart. Keto chicken parm, 15 carbs. I'm assuming that's total carbs, but really all it says is 15 carbs, 25 protein, 10 fat. Ingredients: chicken, Parmesan, marinara sauce, cauliflower mash, salt, and pepper. No, that doesn't go to that. Yeah, this is confusing because things have fallen out. So this is keto meatballs, 10 carbs, 25 protein, 25 fat, beef meatballs, Swedish sauce, light cream, broccoli. So it's all a mess in here, actually. This is a breakfast burger that's 5 carbs. This doesn't say anything on it. Keto meatballs. I don't know what this is. Very cold in here. There's no instructions. There's no cooking instructions. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook anything or heat anything up, unless you'd think that there'd be some sort of cooking instruction or some sort of letter that came with it. I'm gonna open this, and yeah, no, there's no information. This is a breakfast burger. So there's no snacks. Oh no, I opened the wrong thing. I'm sorry. I opened a breakfast. So this is a breakfast burger. It looks like this is like an egg. This is some sort of turkey, maybe. Yeah, turkey patty, sliced cheddar, fried egg, and hollandaise sauce. Which, okay, that actually looks like it would be good, but how do I cook this? I don't know, because it doesn't tell me. So that's an issue for me because there's no instructions. What is the blank box? It says that it's convenient, they're ready to eat, you don't have to do any cooking, anything, but okay, the snacks, they're like these little like frozen like fat bomb type things. Again, no nutrition information. I have no idea what's in here. I don't know if it's contains nuts. If I had an allergy, I have literally no idea. One looks like it has Reese's peanut butters. One looks like it's some sort of nut. One looks like some sort of Oreo cookie. One looks like M&Ms and one looks like Fruity Pebbles. And they do smell like peanut butter. I mean, I don't have any allergies, but I'll have to go on their website and look and see if there's any more information there. But that's probably not the best way to send out something for a review without any sort of instructions. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and hopefully I can at least try one of these tonight. There was no major ingredient list, nothing. Now, on each package, it does tell you a carb count, a protein count, a fat count, and the calories and allergens and ingredients. So, this says that a keto chicken parmesan is 15 carbs, 25 protein and 10 fat, 250 calories. It says the ingredients are chicken, parmesan, marinara sauce, cauliflower mash, salt, and pepper. I did not even open these yet, but I'm going to tell you right now, it's not for me. 15 carbs. That is almost my entire day's worth of carbs. I don't do OMAD, so it's not worth it to me. Is this something that I could let my kids have? Yeah, they can have it after school, whatever, that, you know, they're hungry. I'm definitely going to be letting them. Do I think that the quality of the food is bad? No, the quality of the food is good. But do I think that it is an acceptable keto meal service? I do not. And I have more reasons why. So that's just the keto parmesan. I can't really tell you much about this, how this flavor tastes. I can just tell you it was never told to me if that was net carbs, total carbs, what other, you know, if there's fibers, like anything. There's nothing for me to look at the full ingredients list, because I'm telling you right now, there's a lot more than just those ingredients in there. And I say that because fast forward to the keto breakfast burger. So, the keto breakfast burger claims to have 5 carbs, 30 grams of protein, 35 fat, 455 calories, and its ingredients are a turkey patty, sliced cheddar, a fried egg, and hollandaise sauce. It does not tell you what's in the hollandaise sauce, and it definitely does not tell you what's in the turkey patty. I did nuke this for about 6 minutes, which is another thing. Erin did a review on this, and when she contacted customer support, she was told you should let these thaw for 24 to 48 hours. So how is that convenient? How are you supposed to come home and be like, oh, I don't feel like cooking tonight, I'm just throw this in the microwave? I mean, yes, I did throw mine in the microwave, but it took a while and the cheese kind of burned. So back to the ingredients list. It was good. I did enjoy it. It did not fill me up very much. 5 carbs, okay, that's not bad for the size of it. It was a decent size sandwich. And like I said, it was tasty. It wasn't dried out. It was very moist. I did enjoy it, but there was spinach inside of the turkey burger. There were possibly onions inside of the turkey burger. And I kid you not, there was some sort of rice in the turkey patty. There was rice. I looked very closely at it, and if you look at a piece of rice and you notice, you can see that there is a line down the back of a grain of rice, and there was probably half a teaspoon of rice in this turkey burger. So keto breakfast burger? I don't think so. Erin even said hers sort of tasted like corn. So not happy about that. I didn't even try, like I said, I didn't try these two. This one, it shows you some broccoli and some meatballs. It says the ingredients are beef meatballs, Swedish sauce, light cream, broccoli. What's the Swedish sauce? What is it? I don't know what that is. I don't want to trust you. I have no information on that. 10 carbs for some meatballs? 10 carbs? No. And then their snack box, which again, this is how it came. These all have little, this has nothing. This has absolutely nothing. And yes, 2 of these are gone. I did eat half of this one and my children ate the other full one in half. I'm not allergic to anything, but I can smell this and I know that these are like mostly peanut butter. I did have to go onto their website to figure out exactly what these were. They're protein bombs or something like that. And they are what they say, 8 to 10 carbs. That's all they can get, all the information they can give you. One was a Reese's cup. One, I think this is like a Fruity Pebbles. This is an Oreo. This is an M&M. And the other one was like a toffee. It doesn't tell you any of the ingredients, even on the website. It doesn't tell you anything. So, I mean, if I had allergies and I was sent that, I would not be happy. Now, this does say allergies, dairy. This says allergies, beef and dairy. This says allergens, gluten. I mean, but gluten, okay? In what? In what? Gluten in the cheese? Is there gluten in the chicken? I mean, I don't know. Is there gluten in the marinara sauce? I don't know. I don't trust this. It's lacking a lot of information. I appreciate them being sent to me, but this is not, I do not recommend it. I've had tons and tons of comments from my own subscribers telling me that this company is shady, that they have a lot of reports on to the Better Business Bureau. I don't know. I'd rather not promote product that just doesn't have, I don't know. They did send me a brochure after I reached out to the company and said, hey, I didn't get anything in here. He said, normally it comes with a brochure. I just feel like if you're a company and you're sending out PR for reviews, you might want to make sure that it has all the requirements, all the nutritional information. I don't know. Is that just me? I don't know. You guys, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts in the comment section. Sound off down below. If this is something that you want, I will leave their website down below. Go sign up for them. If this fits your type of lifestyle, this is something that you would enjoy and you think, again, the food was good. It tastes good. I only tried the keto breakfast burger, but from that, I thought it was delicious. It's just not something that I would spend my money on. And not to say that I would never spend my money on this type of prepared meals. Yes, it's very convenient if you could just pop it out of the refrigerator and put it in the microwave, which you can. And we did. It might take longer for the other things. The burger went very fast. So if this is something that you think that you'd be interested in, then you can go for it. And just not something for me. Not something for me. I would rather just cook my own meals and make my own chicken parm for way under 15 carbs and save some money. So that's all I got for you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.